Good afternoon, YouTube. This is March 21st. Day 5 or 6 of the coronavirus lockdown. All the restaurants are closed in the area. So I thought I'd fire up the old Smoke Pro Camp Chef SE. And what I'm cooking today is going to be a pork loin, about a 3.5 pound pork loin. And this recipe I have here soaking right now is half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of apple juice, your favorite barbecue rub, salt and pepper. I think that's it. So we're going to stick it on. I got the smoker up to about 225. We're going to smoke it on and see how it turns out. Alright, we just stuck it on. Again, this is a 3.5 pound pork loin. Got my temperature probe in, and we're going to let this guy hang out for a couple hours and we'll check on him. The temperature on the smoker is around 225 degrees. We're going to let it go for a couple hours. Alright guys, this pork tenderloin has been on for about an hour. We're going to check on them. I also want to share with you the rub that I'm using is Salt Sisters Rub, all purpose barbecue rub and season. Alright, let's give him a quick look. Yep, looking good, lots of smoke. And I'm going to also sprinkle a little more seasoning on this guy. Good there. Let's see here. I got my internal probe right here, so we're going to check him out. He's still pretty cold at 28 degrees. He was almost frozen when I put him in, so we'll let him hang out, like he said, until he gets up to 145 internal temp. So it's going to be a while, but it's looking good so far. Alright guys, we're back. Let's check this thing out. It's 2.5 hours in. The Smoke Pro is holding about 150 degrees on low. I know I said 200 earlier, but that was just getting started, so I turned it back down to smoke low and holding about 150 degrees. Alright, let's check this guy out. Oh yeah, looking good. Trying to get some brown color to it. Smoke or the fat starting to window away. Keeping it nice and moist on the inside. Let's see. We're up to 98 degrees internal temp. So about 2.5 hours in. 98 internal temp. Got plenty of pellets still left, of course. Right. Check on it again in another hour. Alright guys, 4 hours into this cook. We have a 210 on the smoker. I turned it up a little bit to finish this cook out. And let's see what we get. Oh nice. Really starting to show a good crust now. And it's looking good. Let's see what we got. Temperature 225. To go. Probably crank the temperature one more time here and finish it out. Alright, we'll check back in a few minutes. Probably about another 30 and we'll crank it up to 250. Alright, we're finishing up here. Let's check this temperature one last time. Right on the money, 145. Alright, let's take a look and yeah, you got some sizzle going on. Let's pull this guy out. It's done. And we'll make a quick cut. Show you the final product. Yeah. Perfectly cooked. nice smoke ring. You can see that. Yeah, nice smoke ring. So yeah, good final product. It's gonna be some good eating. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you would, please hit the subscribe button below and the bell, and turn on your notifications. I'm new to YouTube, but I plan on making a lot more videos, hunting, fishing, eating, cooking. So please hit subscribe, and there'll be more to come.